In fact, I had to make a complaint to Dr. Maheshwari, our outgoing DG, that you have given opportunity to very few persons to speak about yourself. And of course, the show was stolen by none other than Sanjay Latkar, perhaps because he was from Bollywood. So every opportunity, every opportunity was given to him. And JK zone and Rajasthan sector was, left unrepresented, and Special DG told me, no, you must go because IG Chhattisgarh has sung a song how Rajasthan sector is behind. So now I've been given an opportunity, so you have to bear with me. At the outset, I would like to tell you that I have enjoyed a very old and very long-lasting bond with Dr. A.P. Maheshwari, and in his 10 years of time that he spent in CRPF, I worked with him on various occasions. I mean, he may not agree, but I was always close to his heart. He may not admit it openly. And the fact is that whenever, after he became DG, in every address he has been saying that people say that you are workaholic and you are very short-tempered. Well, whether it was my competence, professionalism or his love for me, but I never tasted his short temper. I am thankful to him for that. But whenever I would get a call as IG Rajasthan or even otherwise that DG would like to speak, my heart would definitely skip a beat. Because Dr. Maheshwari, for him, everything is like this. Vikram, I want an article on COVID. Within 24 hours, it should be on my WhatsApp. और जैसे ही डीजी साहब का फोन आता था, मुझे शोले का वो डायलॉग याद आ जाता था जो धर्मेंद्र ने बोला था कि ठाकुर साहब, गब्बर सिंह को पकड़ना है और वो भी जिंदा। गब्बर सिंह कोई भेड़ बकरी का बच्चा है जो दौड़े और पकड़ लिए। तो सर की जितनी भी कमांड्स आती थी, विक्रम साइकिल रैली इज पासिंग थ्रू राजस्थान एंड आई वांट यू टू लीड। विक्रम ने कभी जिंदगी भर साइकिल नहीं चलाई, बट डीजी साहब का फरमान आ गया तो उसी दिन से प्रैक्टिस शुरू कर दी। एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट ही एक्नॉलेज्ड ओपनली माय कंट्रीब्यूशन टू साइकिल रैली। सर, इट वाज रियली योर पर्सनल मोटिवेशन। और जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले दिन कहा था व्हेन यू केम हियर दैट योर नेम इज आनंद प्रकाश, एंड आपका प्रयास हमेशा रहना चाहिए कि आप जहां भी रहें वहां पर आनंद का प्रकाश हो। और मुझे ये कहते हुए कोई संकोच नहीं है कि आपके द्वारा ये प्रयास पूर्ण किया गया कि आपने लोगों को हर स्तर पर खुशियां प्रदान करने का कोई भी अवसर नहीं छोड़ा। और मैं तो यही कहूंगा कि जिस प्रकार से ब्रह्मांड गतिशील है, डॉक्टर महेश्वरी इज ऑल्सो वन पर्सन हु इज मूविंग विद दैट स्पीड ऑफ ब्रह्मांड। वेदर इट वाज कोरोना, whether it was, stoppage of all kinds of public transport by air, but nothing prevented DG CRPF to be present with his troops, with his officers, even when the whole world and the country had come to standstill. And we really salute him for that. इन्होंने जो एक यथार्थ के धरातल पर सच्चाई का सामना करके इस बल को एक ठोस धरातल दिया, वो असमरणीय रहेगा और वो सभी के दिलों में याद रहेगा। एंड लेट मी टेल यू, ही इज वन पर्सन हु रियली गेव हिज एवरी बिट टू द फोर्स। ही वन द हार्ट्स स्पेशली ऑफ द सोल्जर्स ऑन द ग्राउंड। ही वॉज ऑलवेज विद देम। आई personally know how many arguments I had with him, how many times I disagreed with him. But there is one quality of this DG who always took every criticism also in his stride. He took every idea that came from the field, he evaluated it, he tried his best to put it into practice as far as possible. And perhaps that's the reason that as he leaves and hangs his uniform today, he has been assigned a very important opportunity. Sir, we know you have a great potential. This country needs you. And wherever you would be, you would continue to spread happiness. Your professionalism will be a guiding light for the people working around you. You have been a wonderful boss. a wonderful person and a great man. We wish you all the happiness, very good health, prosperity in days to come. May God keep you smiling ever and always. Thank you very much.